Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins and I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. Welcome to another edition of my Georgia workers' compensation video series, where I provide you helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and some of the benefits available to you under it if you've been injured at work. Today I want to talk to you about whether workers' compensation attorney consultations are free. But before I jump into that, be sure and be on the lookout for my next video about whether the workers' compensation insurance company can force you to go to their doctor in your workers' compensation case. Now let's talk about workers' compensation attorney consultations. First of all, what is a workers' compensation attorney consultation? Basically, it's a meeting where you discuss your workers' compensation case with an attorney. That meeting could take place either in person, over the phone, or it may be via email. And you would talk about the facts of your case and what happened to you, and could ask questions that you have. The attorney that you have the consultation with could provide you information about the workers' compensation law and may be able to answer some of your questions. A lot of times the attorney may be able to give you a recommendation as to whether it would be helpful for you to move forward with hiring the attorney to represent you in your case. That decision about whether you hire an attorney or not is ultimately up to you. There's no obligation to hire a workers' compensation attorney just because you have a consultation. Now, I think that having a consultation with an attorney in a workers' compensation case where you've suffered a serious injury is a very important thing to do. Georgia's workers' compensation law is confusing. There's deadlines that apply to your case that can cause you to lose all or part of your benefits. Also, many people aren't aware of some of the rights that they have under the workers' compensation law with regard to medical treatment and temporary total, temporary partial, and permanent partial disability benefits. Because of that, they miss out on some of the benefits available to them, or they do not receive as good as medical treatment as they should, and as a result don't have as good a recovery from their injury. So I recommend that everybody reach out for a consultation. A lot of people are concerned about the cost of a consultation, which is what this video today is about. I can't promise you that all workers' compensation consultations are free. Attorneys can potentially charge for a workers' compensation consultation. However, the workers' compensation attorneys at my law firm do not charge for consultations. We provide them for free. There's absolutely no cost to you, and there's no obligation to hire us just because you have a consultation. Those consultations generally take about 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes they can take longer. And again, you have an opportunity to provide us with information about your case and ask questions, and we can help give you some potential direction as to what you might do with your case or what we would do with your case if you ended up hiring us. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you have other questions about your workers' compensation case, you can visit our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com. There's helpful information there. Or again, I think the best way to get your questions answered is to reach out and schedule a free consultation. You can do that with me either on our website that I mentioned earlier or by giving me a call at the phone number that's on the screen. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.